Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. Today is day 14 of 25 days of holiday crafts. Today I'm showing you how to make really easy Dollar Tree keychains like these. They jangle! Everything you need will be listed in the description below. Let's do this! When you're shopping for your keychain decor, make sure that you get things with little holes at the top so that we can easily put jump rings in them. I'm cutting this string off at the top because that string is not going to be strong enough to stay on a keyring. Okay, so I have my jump rings here in my hand. I'm taking one, taking two pliers, and gently pulling them away from each other. Now we're easily just going to slip that right in. Now all I'm doing is putting my key ring through that hole as well, and gently closing my jump ring back together again. So this is pretty and simplistic on its own, but I like a keychain cluster, so I'm going to show you how I made it more full. I found these little snowflakes with holes at the top, which is exactly what we want, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same process over again. I picked up these bells with, again, perfect little slots at the top for a jump ring to fit through. I got this chunky chain at Michael's, but you can definitely take an old necklace or any kind of chain you have around the house and use that too. I measured out 5 inches and now I'm just going to take it apart. Now I'm taking these smaller jump rings on my left side and I'm going to make a jingle bell keychain. So I opened up another one of my smaller jump rings, put it on the chain first, slipped the bell in after, and then I'm closing the jump ring back together. I repeated that step 9 times because I wanted a lot of jingle, for a total of 10 bells. And just like that, you didn't make a big mess, and you're done. These are gonna make great gifts. They are fun, cheap, cute. You can easily personalize them, and everyone has keys, so there's nothing like a homemade gift. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. You can find me on Instagram at MaddCrafty or email me at maddcrafty.com. Don't lose your keys.